that noise sounds like a fucking pump. I mean, I know it has a feature, you know, rear cylinder shutdown, the EITMS, some shit that they call it, engine idle, whatever. I know a lot of people was complaining about this on Facebook and all other social medias, I think Reddit also, whatever. But, you know, you got to really think about it. Right now, let me show you the temperature it is outside today. So you see, I don't know if you can see that. It says 96 degrees. It's freaking hot out here. I rode this thing all the way up to the northeastern end of Connecticut today, and I just got back. It's 5:20 in the afternoon. It was almost practically a 3-hour ride, and I had that feature on the entire time. In some cities, major traffic. Now I'm back home in Queens, so it's really bad coming down here in the city because it's bumper to bumper sometimes, and you know, it actually helps. It sounds like shit, sounds like a damn pump, but it really does help when the that rear cylinder shuts down and you're not getting all that heat up between your legs. Because when I had a previous Ultra Limited, the 2013, I don't think it had that. Maybe I didn't even know it had it. But oh yeah, I think it did. So maybe it was another bike. So I'm in traffic, man, and that heat coming out of that engine, oh man, that was pretty bad. Especially when it's 95, you know, close to 100 degrees and some humidity, and you're driving 2 up with your passenger, and you're just dying out there, man. You can't even get to water and pull over on a highway. Sometimes on the way down, some of the major arteries coming back home, they are bad because people, you know, at this time already coming back from upstate or wherever in the country, coming back home. So it's really bad out there riding a tourer bike like this. So not for nothing, but that thing helps. But you could also, you know, for extra help, you could also get that cool flow fan that goes up inside here, right by those deflectors. You can cool down the engine too like that, you know. I wish you know, maybe I should go buy one and have it installed. That would help. I don't know. No, it won't help because if you're in traffic, the louvers down here, even if you had them open, it's not going to do anything. Not in traffic. But anyway, why don't you post your comments down below? Let me know what you think of it. Do you like it or you don't like it? And I don't know. To me, it helps me. This thing does get hot, and it's a water cooled. It's the water heads, and